What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Got another Mustang here. It's a fully restored 1969 Mach 1 R code 428 Cobra jet, factory 4-speed, and it is extremely nice. The car was just completed, so very fresh restoration. Body and paint are extremely nice. There is great gaps. Show you the interior. Couple little things I still have to put on. Shifter trim ring, that'll be here. I'll get it put on. And a rear view mirror. Otherwise, the car is ready to go. Doors shut super easy. Great gaps, like I said. Body's super straight. You can see how nice the paint is. This picture, even down low. Pop the hood. There's your 428 Cobra jet. Bottom of the hood's nice and painted. Power steering, power disc brakes, ram air. Car still has a smog on it. Really nice engine bay. This was the San Jose car originally. Second digit of the VIN is an R. That's the San Jose plant for those that don't know. Just all new, just super clean. 8K tack. Fold down rear seat. Headliner's in excellent shape. Seats look like brand new. I mean, top-notch car. Let's get it fired up. Car's got factory exhaust. Has a great tone to it. Give that motor a rev. So fully restored 69 Mach 1 R code. 428 Cobra Jet, Ram Air with the shaker, factory 4-speed. Can't really take it for a drive today because it's pretty nasty out. Don't want to get the bottom side dirty. The bottom side is completely done. Paint markings, correct oversprays. Car's turnkey, ready to go. This is a show car. If you're interested, call the number 304-731-6497. I'm going to post it for sale as soon as this video goes live. Thanks for watching.